A sea monster washed ashore in Caspian Sea. Recently, we saw a video coming from Russia in the Derbent region, Derbent town in Dagestan of the Russia in Caspian Sea. This is an airplane which actually flies over the water a few meters above. The principle was that to have a vehicle which can actually move above the water without being in contact with it and can be used in the sea missions. The prototype was built and it was successful. In Britain, we had similar thing called hovercraft. Hovercraft had a lot of difficulties. Later, it was cancelled. We don't build it anymore. But Russians also had a similar problem. But this one was very fast. It actually could move for 900 kilometers per hour. In the Caspian Sea, it was tested. But in the 1980s, because of the budgetary constraints, the project was abandoned. The only vehicle left, the prototype, recently brought to the shore in the Derbent region of the Dagestan of the Russia in Caspian Sea, and now it's on display